Hey guys, welcome to the Jeep Solid Garage. Today we're going to be doing a product review of iBoard's 4-inch aluminum running boards. So iBoard sent me these 4-inch running boards to do a product review on. They also have a 5-inch and 6-inch running board. I'll be sure to include a link in the description below where you can find these. They're made of aluminum and they seem pretty sturdy and lightweight at the same time, so that's kind of cool. It has a nice non-slip rubber pad on the top here and comes with all the hardware that you should need to install it. I thought these black 4-inch would look pretty good on the Jeep, so installation looks pretty easy. Let's get to it. All of the brackets seem to be labeled really clearly. You've got like driver front, passenger rear, and these brackets, they are pretty darn thick steel, heavy duty steel. These will not be bending on me. Now we're going to start by removing the front driver's side body mount bolt here. Now we're actually going to reuse the factory body mount bolt, and we're going to take one of the mounting brackets. Because this is a 94 Wrangler, we're going to pass it through this back slot here. This slot is for 87 through 95 vehicles. This front slot here is for 97 through 2006, and then we're going to reuse the same rubber bushing. And we don't want to snug it up quite yet. We want a little bit of play because we're going to make some adjustments. Now we're going to attach the front driver bracket to the frame mounting bracket there using the supplied 12mm bolts and lock washers and nuts. And again here, we're not going to tighten this down all the way. We're going to leave a little bit of play so we can make adjustments. Alright, let's repeat the same thing on the rear bracket here. Alright, now we're going to take one of our running boards and we're going to slide 8 of these little T bolts. We're going to slide 8 little T bolts, 4 on each side of these little rails under here. Now let's take our running board and line these bolts up with the brackets. Okay, now 8 little washers and nuts on the bottom. And these little guys here are locking nuts, so no lock washer is required. Right, now we can kind of roughly position everything where we want it, snug it down. That completes the installation for this side. We're going to repeat the exact same process on the other side. So overall, I'd say these are a great running board. Really well made, good quality running board. If you have that lifted vehicle and you need a little help getting up into it, these will work great for you. My only concern is this front bracket is kind of cantilevered out a little bit farther than the one on the rear, which gives it a little bit of bounce, a little bit of flex to it. But you know, it's just a step, it's just a running board, and as far as a running board, I think these will work just great. So hey, I love hearing from you guys. Make a comment down below if you have a question about anything, and I will leave a link for this exact product in the description below. Thanks for watching and have a good day. So I love hearing from you guys. If you have a question about anything, leave a comment down below. And I will include a link in the description below of this exact product. Thanks for watching, and that's a lot of pointing. So I love hearing from you guys. If you have a question about anything, make a comment down below. And in the link below, I will include in the link below, it's not a link, it's a description, and I put the link down there. So there we go. I love hearing from you guys. If you have a question about anything, make a comment down below. Love hearing from you. I already said that. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions on this product, make a comment in the link.